Right. Good evening, students. This is your Vani ma'am back again. Yes, as you have seen, now we are going to do a particular series almost for 10 days. What is that? I'll be sending my handwritten notes. Yes, I know date sheet is released and now everybody is in tension. Nothing to worry. We very well know whenever there's a lot of tension, we get confused. We just search which book to study, where to get the notes, whether the board examination will they give me full marks. Nothing to worry. As I said, you have 10 chapters for your board examination. I'll be sending my handwritten notes line by line NCRT. I have taken line by line NCRT and I have prepared notes, that is my notes. Yes, nothing. Everything is covered in these notes. You'll be having the name reactions, you'll be having NCRT questions, you will be having flow charts, you will be having everything. Previous year's question papers are also done by me. It is only one man army. Vani ma'am always just thinks one word. What is that? Work till the last drop of the blood. Yes. So from today, I'll be sending all the handwritten notes, students. Nothing to worry. Only thing you should do is go to a shop, buy one 200 pages book, and start noting the notes. Ma'am, can you send me PDF? Can you do this? Like, ma'am, see, students, when you start writing, watching the video, what happens? You can easily just, it is one type of revision also for you. We still have time, right? We have 2 months time, so you can finish all the 10 chapters. After you finish all these 10 chapters, then we are going to do one more important series. I'll not reveal that. Very important series is what I'm going to do. Yes, so quickly get a notebook, start watching the video, note it, and one request, please like the video, and one more request, please share the video. Reason, students, there are many students who can't afford education. There are many students who can't pay fees and join. So for them, if you share it, just share it to all your friends group. So as we share our we share Instagram reels, we share Facebook reels, like that. Instead of that, share this video so that all the students who are there can benefit it. Yes, nothing I can expect from you all. This is what I wanted. Will you do that, students? So starting from today, I'll be sharing the notes. So take the notebook and start writing it. Thank you so much. Let's start with the video. Today I'm going to start send you important chapter for your board examination. Let's start.
All right, students. So let's start our particular video. As mentioned, today I'm going to send you the important chapter, that is amines. Yes, as you have seen, students, amines chapter, maximum students rather they get confused. Okay, nothing to get confused. Relax. I have already done the videos. I have done the videos completely of almost 1700 videos with every line of NCRT. All right. Now let's start with the chapter. Now what you should do, watch the one shot video, that is amines, then study this. Your chapter will be over. Done, students? Done. Yes. So in this particular first page, as you have seen, I have given you or just given the clarity of amines. What are amines? How are their derivatives? Why they are alkyl derivatives, or why they are ammonia derivatives, aryl derivatives? Everything I have clearly mentioned in this page. Here I have also mentioned the different types of amines. Yes, primary, secondary, tertiary, as well as aromatic. Start taking a book, start noting it. From here, gradually I went into a concept of structure. Now you are able to see, students, structure, bond angle, what is the shape of, taking an example of trimethylamine, everything I have mentioned clearly. If they ask you in the exam, draw the structure of ammonia, perfectly you can draw this and finish it off. Yes, structure of this one, yes. Then why is the bond angle less? One reasoning question I have given here. You can write lone pair repulsion, lone pair bond pair repulsions are greater than bond pair repulsion. That's the reason. And the bond angle is less in ammonia, right? Easy. Now here also I have given bond pair is more, so it is a reverse in both the cases. So clearly I have compared between ammonia and trimethylamine. Next, from there, gradually I've gone into a concept called classification of amines. Alright, students. So classification of alkyl amines and aryl amines and their types, both aliphatic and aromatic. And from there, gradually I went into a topic called nomenclature. Very important, you'll be getting a question. So I started from the basic amine. So how do you name it also I have given. Name of the alkyl group, then primary amine. So this is a common name. This is a IUPAC name which is mentioned. Alright, from there, gradually I have taken you into a topic that's nothing but rule number 2, how to name. Suppose if there's secondary and tertiary amines, how to name it. That example also I have given. Or a lot of examples I have taken so that you'll get clarity. So next, rule 3 also I have taken gradually. Suppose if you have complicated amines, if you have some other functional groups, or if you have two alkyl groups, how to name it, where to put n, everything I have mentioned in this page. Easy? Yes. Now from there, after taking all the three rules, I have taken you into the different examples. Got it, students? From where to start, how to number, everything. So this will cover your IUPAC nomenclature. With this knowledge, you can solve any question which is given in the exam. Done. From there, gradually, some more examples, students, some more examples. The numbering is little bit up and down. So aromatic also I have taken here, where you have to apply n, which comes alphabetical order, everything. All right. From here, gradually, I'm going slowly, I believe. Gradually, I went into a topic called preparations. So here, basically, you have one reduction process, students. Easy. The reduction of nitro nitrile amides. That is what is the preparation of amines. Easy it is. So under that, what gets converted to what products also have given. Again, amides, what are the reducing agents you're using? If you're using direct reduction, what is there also I have given. So this is a complete picture of the amines preparation. Now I started with the reduction of nitro compounds in the next page. Yes, see here, how did I give the flow chart? I have completely given the flow chart. So nitrogen compound, if you are taking nitrobenzene, what reagents are used and what is the final product. I also gave the definition of reduction here. Reduction means removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen. Done. From there, below, I have given the reaction, students. How reduction means addition of hydrogen, right? So if you're using nickel in the presence of platinum, palladium for the nitro compound, what are the reagents and what is the product? Everything I have given. Once here, you can also learn the conversions, how nitrobenzene is converted to azo compounds. Conversion also is ready? Ready. So this page is very important for the preparations. Now gradually, from there, I went to nitriles. Again, same thing. I have given the nitriles and I have given you where the cleavage happens, in the presence of which reagent, and finally what you get, the primary amines. Okay, the primary alkyl amines. So conversion of nitriles to amines. Below I have given the reducing agents, which reagent, what it happens. So if you practice this page, complete understanding of conversions also is over, preparations are also over. Done. From there, gradually I went into a topic that is nothing but reduction of amides. So nitriles is over, your nitriles is over, your nitro group is over. From there, gradually I went into amides. Okay, amides are getting converted to primary amine. Then your, again gradually secondary amides, conversion of tertiary amides, everything I have mentioned. So different reagents also I have mentioned. So nitro, nitrites, amides reduction is done. So all the possibilities I have given, take a notebook and practice it. It's easy. From there, I went into a process called ammonolysis, Hoffman's method. So ammonolysis, what are we doing? We are converting your alkyl halide or benzyl halide. They are getting converted to substituted ammonium salt. Here I have mentioned Hoffman's method. In the exam, if they ask you what is Hoffman's method, you can directly write this and you will get full marks. This is the procedure as you have to write. Process you should write, temperature you need to write, mention like that. From there, here you can write the mechanism of this. So how do you write? How is ammonolysis happening? Where is the cleavage? And finally, what product you're getting. So formation of primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. So there's also one question asked, what is the reaction of ethanoic ammonia with ethyl chloride? So basically, how are we converting the alkyl chloride gradually forming your tertiary alkyl? Tertiary amines. Easy. So gradually I'm taking step by step. I've given you this direction. So basically limitations also are important. Why we are using this is one reasoning question. Why this method is used, or why it is not used to get only primary? Why? Because here you're getting a mixture of primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. So using large excess of alkyl halide which yields quaternary salt. So only we can't restrict to primary. Because here you're getting a complete mixture, you're supplying ammonia to that. So one reasoning question also is given here. From there, gradually I have further extended, giving you one reasoning question. So here, why aromatic amines or aryl amines are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions compared to alkyl halides. So I have given you the question, I have given you the reason. This is how exactly you can write. because I was part of the board examination correction. I know where we correct and how. As soon as we see this question, we immediately give them marks. Perfect. Then from there, yes, benzyl chloride also have taken. I have given what are the product formed during ammonolysis. So complete ammonolysis concept is covered here. From there, Gabriel thalamide synthesis. So this is one of your name reaction. So Gabriel thalamide synthesis, reactant is what, product is what, and it is not suitable for aromatic amines. Also, I have mentioned only primary amines are prepared. How we are going to prepare step by step, I have given where is the cleavage and everything. From there, gradually we went to Hoffman's bromide degradation. Okay, right, that is thalamide synthesis. This is degradation. Hoffman's again reactant, product, and reaction is given to you. So if you learn this, it's over. Compulsory name reactions are given in the exam. Correct. Now from there, after the preparations, I have gone to physical properties. So physical state I have given, boiling point I have given. So here why is the boiling point more for amines compared to hydrocarbons of comparable mass. So basically same thing, same sheet only students. I'm pushing it up. So why is a boiling point? So boiling point reason also I have given. This is the order. This is the boiling point thing. Because of what? Because of hydrogen bonding. From there, solubility also I have given. Reason, solubility I have given. Comparative degree I have given. Comparison between aliphatic and aromatic also I have. So physical properties and preparations are over. Now I went to chemical properties. So chemical properties, basic nature is one concept which they'll ask you. After that, alkylation, acylation, carbylamine reaction, reaction with HONO, aryl sulfonyl chloride, electrophilic substitution reactions. Easy, no students, easy. One page, if you start studying, it will be over gradually. So every line of NCERT is covered. Now I started with the basic nature. I started comparing why actually that basic nature, what with that concept of basic nature, how they are reacting with an acid and how they are reacting with a base. That's done. From there, gradually I have taken into the factors of basicity. Okay, factors of basicity of amines, inductive factors acting, electron withdrawing group, kb value, solvation effects, steric hindrance, relative stability, availability of electron, and donation ability. So based on all these factors, the basicity of a particular amines will effect. So from there, I have started taking, I have gone into a concept in aqueous medium. How is the order and reason below it. From there, I went into one more concept that's gradually, I told you, inductive effect, solvation effect, everything. All the concepts of solvation, how is solvation effect used in this? I have written. I have mentioned what size is inversely related to solvation. So solvation is directly related to stability. So the concept is, I've clearly mentioned this here. From there, I went into a gaseous state order, that is aqueous state. This is gaseous state. So gaseous state order, how is it happening? What is happening? Everything I have mentioned. From there, gradually I have gone to the order of the amines in gaseous state. Reason also I have given here only. So normally, in different books they will give reason in one page, one more in one page. So everything put together, order also is there, reason also is here only. Done. From there, gradually we went into a concept called basic nature. Basic. So basicity, everything, amines, ammonia, everything we have mentioned here. Every question, see, I have given a question, reason also I have mentioned. Clearly note the question and answer it. Again, I'm telling, watch the one shot videos. I have done completely 1700 videos for you all students. Done. Now, see, basicity, factor 1 is over. Then this is factor 2, that is solvation effect. After this factor 2, the next important thing, among the following, I just gave factor 3 here. 1 is over, 2 is over, 3 is over based on the stability. Next, after that, factor 4 also I have mentioned. So with this order, factor 4 based on the steric hindrance, that also I have explained. My notes, students, it took a lot of pain for me. Thank you, because your support always matters. So the combined effect of inductive effect, solvation effect, steric hindrance put together, all three effects put together, this is the final order of your basicity of amines. Done. Now gradually factor 5, I have given kb value also. So based on the kb value, which is more basic also, I have taken certain examples and explained it. Now aromatic amines, aliphatic amines basicity is over. Now aromatic amines, factor 1 mentioned. Then I've compared between aniline and anilinium ions. What is the reason? Compared to aniline and anilinium, which is more basic. In the exam, you write exactly like this. Okay. Then from there, why is aniline less basic than anilinium ion? Both the reasons I've given. Exactly you write, students, because in the board examination, the examiner will have just 10 minutes to correct your paper. Then you have to write and you'll get clearly marks. Exactly you write, I assure you will get 100 out of 100. Next, after that, factor 2 I have given here. What is electron releasing group? What happens to the basic strength? It increases because more of electrons are released. Basicity is donation, right? So electron withdrawing group, basicity decreases. Done. Then I went into a concept called alkylation. Amine alkylation, I've taken the amine, I've added alkylation, I've started adding alkyl groups to that. So from there, alkylation, then I took acylation completely, conversion of amines to amides. How did I do? What are the reactant? What is the reagent? What is the role of the base? Means reasoning questions are here, order is here, reaction is here, concept is here. That's how I prepare the chapters. From there, I went into secondary amines. I took aromatic amines also here. Alright, students. Hope I'm going gradually, slowly, so that you can pause the video and note the answers, note the question. From there, I went to a concept called benzoylation. Yes, benzoylation. So, how did I add benzoyl chloride to amine? Gradually, formation of benzamides. Okay, conversion of amine to amides. Done. Then I did one more reaction, that is Hinsberg reagent test. Hinsberg, little bit, the camera is little bit blurred. I'll show you Hinsberg reagent. See how beautifully I wrote, students. Hinsberg test, this is used to test aromatic amines, right? Primary, secondary and tertiary. So primary, secondary and tertiary. Everything I have mentioned here with the answer. From there, from the Hinsberg, I took you into one more name reaction, that is carbylamine reaction. So carbylamine definition is done, reaction is done, example is done. So everything put together I have mentioned here. And important thing, this is the way you have to write it. Exam also you want to write it systematically like this only. Okay, you will get full marks. Box, the way you draw the box, the way you underline the heading, the way you write the subheading, everything. Done, students? From there, I took it into aromatic amines. See how nicely I took the reaction. In carbylamine aromatic reaction, isocyanates, phenyl isocyanates, mechanism and note. And also I have given a reason equations. Acids do not give carbylamine reaction. Next, from there, reaction of amine to HONO, nitrous acid, very, very important reaction, students. Very important. So I have given here the new step-by-step reaction. Then I've compared with primary, secondary, tertiary, aliphatic as well as aromatic amines. Perfect. Then gradually from there, diazotization reaction of primary amines. That HO and HONO is there, no? The same with that NaNO2 in presence of HCl. So what is the mechanism of diazotization? Step 1 I took. Then step 2 in that where protonation. Is this sheet clear, students? Okay, this sheet I'm coming back. Again, step 2. This is the protonation part, which is a major product, and which are the remaining products, minor products. From there, gradually, I took the reaction of secondary amines with HONO. Very important reactions. So, in everywhere you have different products formed. So, that reaction also I have mentioned. I have not left a single line of NCRT. I promise that. From there, I took you into tertiary amines HONO also. Yes, that also is done. What are the nitroso compounds which we get? From there, I took the HONO reaction with aromatic amines also. Done? Yes. Then Lieberman's test, very important for Lieberman's nitroso test. Primary, secondary, and tertiary. This is how I write, because once Lieberman's test means you can directly write this answer in the exam. What do you get? What is a blue vitriol solution? They'll ask you what is blue vitriol, what is green vitriol. Okay, yes. Then from there, alkylation of amines. Yes, alkylation, you're adding the alkyl group for aromatic and amine and aliphatic amine. This is also a conversion reaction where amines are getting converted to the quaternary salts. All right, so you can just check quaternary alkyl halides, quaternary salts. From there, yes, I have come to a flow chart. All the aliphatic amine conversions, whatever conversions are there, everything is here. All you have different people saying conversions done in this one. No, students, there is no fake thumbnail, nothing. Vani ma'am will never mislead you. So the complete aliphatic amine conversion, see here, conversion of amine to acid, conversion of amine to amides, conversion of amines, everything, to alcohols, to nitriles, everything, alkyl halides to amines, all the conversions are there in this. Yes, then one more conversion, everything is covered in this, students, everything is covered. Conversion of alkyl halides to amines, amines to isocyanides, so everything is covered. Yes, from there gradually some more conversions I have given in this page. All right, so as I said, all aliphatic is done, then I've come to aromatic conversions. Aromatic conversion, sorry for this, I just did it wrong, so I just crossed it. So aniline conversion to, you know, bdc to cyanobenzene, like that all the conversions are there. Then from there one more conversions of aniline, one more. If you study this, this is over, student. Every line of ncrt is there. Yes, done. Yes, perfect. So with this, I have covered completely every line of NCRT. As I said, I request you to take a notebook and start writing. So I request you to please share the video, share the video, share the video. I want India, every student of India to get free education, students. That's my motto. Alright, thank you for watching the video. I request you to again like the video so that it'll be shown to maximum. Alright, so Vani ma'am doesn't expect anything from you all, students. Your wish, if you wish to just send anything to Vani ma'am, use that super thanks feature. Thank you so much, students. Take care. See you again with the next chapter. Bye bye.